So somewhere, somehow, this group of Caribbean prime ministers got it into them heads that they would set up a meeting with the International Cricket Council chairman, Mr. Shashank Manohar, with obviously the age-old agenda of getting rid of current board president Dave Cameron, only for the ICC boss to decide to him not meeting with these wasteman politicians. But seriously, what is wrong with these politicians? They don't get it. International sporting bodies, the IOC, FIFA, IAAF, the ICC, these people don't allow politicians near them sports. They don't want uno in their business. And even if these Caribbean prime ministers had noble intentions, which I don't think they do, this is all insularity, and them life mission is to get rid of the Jamaican. But let us, for argument's sake, say their intentions were honorable, and they mean West Indies cricket good. How would getting rid of Dave Cameron help them? Did the wars of West Indies cricket start with the presidency of Dave Cameron? And will these wars go away when Cameron steps away? And who is the puppet candidate that these politicians gonna plant in the presidency, who will wave a magic wand and the problems of West Indies cricket vanish? Thank God for these international sporting bodies that continue to put these politicians in a them place by forbidding them from sinking their poisonous claws into the glorious games that people play.